Alright, what's going on? So I'm about to earn some free crypto. Some more free crypto is available. So all you have to do is watch a few videos to explain this cryptocurrency, and then they will pay you $9 for doing so. I will also put the link in the description so that you can do the same. If this is your first time, you'll be able to earn the $9, $40, $6, $20, $40, $30, and $10 for each person that actually uses this platform and exchanges or purchases at least $100 in crypto over time. So some free money on the table for you. Let me get started.
But first,
they said I need an intro. Let's go.
On my free $9. Alright, Compound is a protocol that lets anyone borrow or earn interest on their crypto. Learn how it works, and you'll earn up to $9 in Compound. Alright, so the lesson one is a 3-minute video. It's going to pay $3. So it's 3 videos paying $3 each.
Earn interest with Compound. This is Maya. She's a sophisticated crypto investor with assets on exchanges and in private wallets. However, these assets are effectively idle because she's not earning interest on any of them. Her cash savings account pays interest. Why can't her crypto? This is why Compound was created. With Compound, Maya can earn interest on her crypto assets by supplying them to the protocol. Other users can then borrow her crypto, and then they pay interest on the borrowed assets. All of the suppliers and borrowers who use Compound combine to form a series of blockchain-based interest rate markets. When Maya supplies an asset to Compound, it gets added to a global liquidity pool which other users can borrow from by providing collateral up front. When borrowers in a specific market accrue interest, the Compound protocol automatically distributes it to suppliers like Maya. This idea is already well established in the traditional finance world, where a $5.5 trillion short-term borrowing and lending industry exists in what are called money markets. Compound allows its users to participate in a decentralized money market for crypto assets, where individuals like Maya can supply their assets to Compound and immediately begin earning interest. Compound has no fixed terms, meaning that Maya can supply and borrow when she pleases, whether that's for 30 minutes or 30 years. Once a crypto asset is supplied to Compound, interest is automatically calculated and distributed with each new Ethereum block, every 15 seconds on average. This allows Maya to start earning interest on her idle crypto assets in a trustless economy that doesn't rely on a central authority to manually calculate and distribute her supply interest. But Compound wasn't just built for individuals like Maya. Because Compound is a decentralized protocol running on Ethereum, it works for everyone, anywhere in the world, and can also be integrated with all kinds of financial services and applications. Any application that holds crypto assets can integrate Compound's interest rate markets, unlocking the power of Compound interest to offer brand new features and services. Already, there's a quickly growing ecosystem of apps built on top of Compound that do this. Compound makes this possible by providing the infrastructure for developers to launch future-proof, decentralized financial services and applications that can pass down Compound's benefits to their users, enabling every user to simultaneously begin earning interest. The Compound protocol is a collection of Ethereum smart contracts, meaning it's both decentralized and completely autonomous. It allows Maya, as well as developers using Compound, to stop relying on and paying fees to third parties. That gives it a big advantage over traditional finance. 2. Borrowing crypto with Compound. Typically, in order to take out a loan, Maya would have to fill out an application with a centralized financial service provider. It's a long process with a host of requirements and opportunities for bias. To avoid this, Maya could borrow crypto assets directly from Compound instead, using assets she has supplied to the protocol as collateral. In traditional finance, this process of borrowing against supplied assets is called over-collateralized lending. Compound is different from a typical money market, though, because it's decentralized and operates completely autonomously. The only central authority is the code itself. With Compound, Maya, or any financial application or service, can instantly access borrowed crypto assets and then make use of them however they see fit. For example, Maya's goal might be to put an advanced trading strategy into place, like leveraging her borrowed crypto to invest in other assets. To borrow crypto, the first thing Maya does is supply an asset to Compound. Supplied assets immediately start generating interest and can also be used as collateral to borrow any other supported asset of Maya's choice. The more she supplies, the higher her borrowing limit increases. To limit risk across the protocol, Compound gives each asset its own unique collateral factor. This means that each supplied asset will affect the borrowing limit differently. For example, for every $1 of ETH Maya supplies, she can borrow up to 75 cents worth of USD coin. This is because ETH's collateral factor is 75%. Maya earns interest on any assets she supplies, even while they are being used as collateral. This helps to lower the cost of borrowing, as the net cost to borrow can be seen as the borrow rate minus the interest being earned on supplied assets. The interest rate for each Compound market is dynamic and based purely on supply and demand. These rates determine the interest Maya pays for borrowing an asset and are calculated per block, just like when earning interest. This is done to ensure the rates always reflect current market conditions. Over time, markets with fewer suppliers and lots of borrowers will become more expensive to borrow from and more rewarding to supply to, while markets with lots of suppliers and fewer borrowers will become cheaper to borrow from and less rewarding to supply to. In essence, the more an asset is borrowed, the higher the interest rate will rise, and vice versa. With Compound, Maya can save time and borrow crypto instantly, without having to liquidate her other crypto assets, provide her credit score, fill out an application, or wait for an underwriter's decision. Lesson number 3. What is the comp token? Compound's goal is to create a protocol that can run forever and evolve in entirely new ways. In order to achieve this goal, the protocol was decentralized by creating and distributing Compound's native Ethereum token. All changes to Compound originate from comp token holders, who can propose and vote on changes to the protocol. Any user or application interacting with Compound can earn comp. The more crypto assets a participant supplies or borrows with Compound, the more comp they will earn in return. Similar to how interest is earned with Compound, comp distribution is calculated dynamically on a per-block basis and distributed to suppliers and borrowers in each market. With the release of comp, every Compound user will earn a say in the future of the Compound protocol without involving the Compound team. This is because simply holding comp tokens will allow users to vote on proposed changes and upgrades, delegate their vote to a trusted person or group to act on their behalf, and submit their own proposals for improvements to the protocol. Each proposal is executable code, meaning that there is no space for different interpretations and doesn't require a centralized team to implement. What's seen within a proposal is exactly what will get deployed if it's voted in by the community. When a proposal succeeds, it directly upgrades the protocol, allowing for new assets, revised interest rate models, and new functionality to be added over time. This puts the power of governance into the community's hands. It creates a global protocol that is upgradable and can grow alongside the ever-changing needs of its users in new and unique ways. When this video was created, about 2,880 comp was being distributed per day across all eligible markets. As market conditions evolve, so too will the allocation of distributed comp between users. The amount of interest paid by borrowers in each market affects how much comp is awarded to participants of that market. The more interest paid, the more comp is earned. While some markets will earn more comp than others, suppliers and borrowers of any specific market will always earn an equal share. 100 years from now, Compound hopes for the protocol and its interest rates to be integrated into many applications around the globe, enabling entirely new products to come to life across a wide range of industries and use cases. This will allow financial applications and end users to make use of idle crypto assets and gain instant access to borrowed funds, all while supporting the ongoing development of unique financial applications and services worldwide. Collectively, it is up to comp holders like Maya to decide the future of the protocol. With Maya's help, and with the support of Compound's community of developers and users, Compound hopes to continue to evolve over time, adding new integrations and supported assets to grow the reach and capabilities of the protocol for many years to come.
All right, so that took about 11 minutes. Let's see. Let's view my comp wallet. So I have $9 in there. And what I know I'm going to do is send this to my Ethereum wallet because it's a program I want to join, that requires Ethereum. So what I'll do is, I just showed you how to quickly earn that. If you don't have a Coinbase account, I will send you a link to get started earning the rewards. So it's a different link for each coin. Okay, so that's how much I made total. 57 free dollars. So I'll send you a link for EOS. I'll put that link in the description. I'll send you a link for Orchid. I'm not sure how they pronounce it. Send you a link for that one. See if it's a link for Tezos. I don't see a link. Lumens, Stellar Lumens. Yeah, I have an invite link for Stellar Lumens. I'll put that in the description. And Compound, I didn't see a link for it. But once you get your account, you will be able to go in and do both the Tezos and the Compound. Alright, so look in the description of this video for the links to get started earning your free cryptocurrency. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all later.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video about making money. All right, see you guys later.